In this video, you will learn how to multiply number in Microsoft Excel. Currently, you can see here I have 3 column data. First 2 column shows the numbers, while third column shows the result of multiplication. So you can see here I have multiplied these numbers which are present in column A and B, and result are displayed in this column. So there are multiple methods by which you can multiply number in Microsoft Excel. I will teach you an easy method. So let's start this tutorial without any further delay. If this video is helpful for you, then please like this video and subscribe our channel for more informative videos. In a separate sheet, I have already entered the data. You can see here the column A and column B shows the number, and I will display the result of multiplication in this column. Firstly, you have to select a particular cell where you want to display the result. For example, I want to display the result in this cell. So I will click on this particular cell. You can see here this cell is selected now. Now put equal sign, which indicate that you will apply a formula. Now select the cell which contain the number. For example, I want to multiply 40 with 10. So I will select this cell, put multiplication sign, and select second cell which contain the number, which is this one, and press enter. Now you can see here the multiplication result is here. You have successfully performed the multiplication. Now it is not mandatory that you perform the multiplication in rows. You can also perform the multiplication in column. For example, I want to multiply 90 with 80 and I want to display the result here. So firstly, I will click on that particular cell, put equal sign, select the number containing cell, put multiplication sign, and select the other cell which contain the number and press enter. Now you can see here the result is here. Additionally, you can also similar operation for the subtraction, sum, and division. Separate tutorials are available on our channel. Now I will teach you another trick. If you apply the formula for a rows, you don't need to apply that formula for individual rows. Now I will teach you an easy trick to automatically apply this formula on remaining rows. Simply select this cell, and when plus sign appears, place your cursor at the corner. When plus sign appears, drag it to remaining rows cells. Now you can see here Excel have automatically multiplied these numbers, and you don't need to apply the formula on individual cells. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.